Insane drone innovations that will blow your mind. Drones have come a long way since their humble beginnings as military tools. Today, they are not just confined to the skies for warfare or surveillance. They are transforming industries, enhancing personal hobbies, and even pushing the boundaries of what technology can achieve. As drone technology continues to evolve at breakneck speed, there are several mind-blowing innovations that have already changed the game and promise to revolutionize our world even further. From delivering packages to flying autonomous taxis, here are some of the most insane drone innovations that will blow your mind. But before we dive into the list, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. 10. Cargo delivery drones. Amazon's Prime Air and Google's Wing are just the beginning of a revolution in cargo delivery. In the not-so-distant future, drones will play a pivotal role in transporting goods quickly, efficiently, and at a fraction of the cost compared to traditional delivery methods. Drones can bypass road traffic and reduce the overall carbon footprint of deliveries, offering a greener alternative to conventional delivery trucks. For example, Amazon's Prime Air aims to deliver packages to customers in 30 minutes or less using octocopter drones capable of carrying lightweight packages up to 5 pounds. This service is expected to dramatically speed up delivery times, especially for smaller goods. Delivery drones are not just limited to e-commerce giants. Smaller businesses are also exploring how drones can help reduce delivery costs and expand their reach. 9. Agricultural drones for precision farming. Farmers have long used drones to survey large tracts of land. But today, drones are pushing the boundaries of precision farming. Drones equipped with specialized cameras, sensors, and GPS can collect real-time data on crop health, soil moisture levels, and overall field conditions. This data is then analyzed to create detailed maps and insights that help farmers make more informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. By using drones, farmers can pinpoint problem areas in their fields, reducing the need for blanket pesticide applications and minimizing the use of water and chemicals. Some drones are even equipped to spray fertilizers and pesticides directly onto crops, eliminating the need for large, fuel-consuming machinery. This allows for more sustainable farming practices, while also increasing yield and efficiency. 8. Drone-based wildlife conservation. Drones are playing an increasingly important role in wildlife conservation, helping researchers monitor animal populations, track endangered species, and combat poaching. One of the most remarkable innovations is the use of drones to monitor rhinos, elephants, and other endangered animals in remote or dangerous regions. For example, drones are equipped with thermal imaging to locate and track animals at night, which is particularly useful in preventing poaching. Drones can also be used to create high-resolution maps of habitats, providing conservationists with valuable data on the condition of ecosystems. This information can then be used to design better conservation strategies to protect biodiversity. 7. Drone-assisted construction. The construction industry is undergoing a transformation, and drones are at the heart of it. Drones are now being used for site surveys, aerial mapping, and even to monitor the progress of construction projects in real time. Equipped with LiDAR sensors, drones can create highly detailed 3D models of construction sites, enabling project managers to make better decisions and track progress more effectively. In addition to surveying, drones are also being used in building construction. In the future, drones might even be able to assist in tasks like laying bricks, installing materials, or assembling components of a structure autonomously. This would drastically reduce the labor cost and time involved in construction, while also improving accuracy and safety. 6. Disaster relief drones. In times of crisis, drones are providing invaluable assistance in disaster relief operations. In the aftermath of natural disasters, such as hurricanes, earthquakes, or wildfires, drones are being deployed to assess damage, locate survivors, and deliver supplies. For instance, drones equipped with high-definition cameras and thermal sensors are being used to locate survivors trapped in collapsed buildings or wreckage. The ability of drones to access areas that are otherwise inaccessible to humans, whether due to hazardous conditions or destroyed infrastructure, makes them an essential tool in disaster response. Drones can deliver life-saving supplies like food, water, and medicine to isolated areas in a fraction of the time it would take for ground crews to reach them. 5. Drones for environmental monitoring. As the world faces increasingly serious environmental challenges, Drones are stepping in to monitor and protect our planet. Drones equipped with sensors can measure air quality, detect pollution levels, and even monitor wildlife populations and forest health. These drones can cover vast, difficult-to-reach areas like forests, rivers, and oceans, providing valuable data that can be used to combat climate change and protect ecosystems. In addition to environmental monitoring, drones are also being used to plant trees in deforested areas. Drones equipped with specialized seed pods can quickly plant large numbers of trees in hard-to-reach locations, helping to restore ecosystems and combat deforestation. 4. Drone racing and entertainment. Drones are also making waves in the entertainment industry, particularly in the world of drone racing. With the rise of first-person view, FPV, drone racing, pilots race drones at incredible speeds through challenging obstacle courses, all while wearing goggles that allow them to see the world from the drone's perspective. This thrilling sport has captured the imagination of viewers around the world and has become a global phenomenon. Drone racing leagues such as the Drone Racing League, DRL, have taken the sport to new heights, offering professional pilots the opportunity to compete for major prizes. 3. Underwater drones for exploration and research. Drones aren't just limited to the sky. The rise of underwater drones is revolutionizing marine exploration and research. These submersible drones, also known as ROVs, remotely operated vehicles, are used to explore the ocean depths, conduct scientific research, and even inspect underwater infrastructure like oil rigs, pipelines, and cables. Underwater drones are equipped with cameras, sonar, and sensors to collect data on marine life, ocean currents, and underwater ecosystems. They are also being used in archaeological excavations, helping researchers explore shipwrecks and underwater ruins without the need for divers. This technology is opening up new possibilities for ocean exploration, allowing scientists to discover new species, understand climate change, and protect marine environments from pollution and illegal fishing. 2. Autonomous flying taxis. One of the most exciting innovations in the drone industry is the development of autonomous flying taxis. Companies like Joby Aviation, Lilium, and Urban Aeronautics are pioneering air mobility systems that promise to transform the way we commute. These drones are designed to carry passengers, taking them from one location to another without the need for a pilot. By 2030, flying taxis could be a common sight in major cities worldwide, potentially reducing traffic congestion and revolutionizing urban mobility. These flying taxis are equipped with advanced technology like AI and machine learning to navigate airspace autonomously. Additionally, they are being designed to be environmentally friendly, with electric-powered motors that reduce carbon emissions. 1. Drone swarms for military and rescue operations. While drones have already been used for surveillance and combat missions, the next big leap involves the use of drone swarms in both military and rescue operations. Drones in these swarms can work together, communicating in real time to carry out complex tasks. The swarm's collective intelligence enables it to perform missions with remarkable precision, such as taking out enemy targets or locating disaster survivors. For example, in the military, drones are being deployed as a swarm for reconnaissance, search and rescue, and even combat operations. The U.S. military has been experimenting with swarms of autonomous drones that can function as a single unit, executing coordinated maneuvers in ways that human-controlled units could never achieve. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.